Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Greetings from Edmonton, Alberta, Canada, from the North Pole. I'm joking because it's snowing like crazy here at the moment. Must have snowed at least, I don't know, 10 inches. Okay, so let's come back to our motif. As you can see, I went ahead and I finished it. I just had to find out how much yarn I have to crochet this motif. So what I did is I finished it. Remember, I was using this yarn. It's 50 gram and it's number 2 weight. So it's pretty thin. So I went and finished this, and I went and used up all the yarn up to here. So I believe I have one more row to finish the motif. So approximately you will be crocheting 2, let's say 2 rounded up to 2 motifs per ball. So just figure out how much if you're going to go and buy the yarn, or go from there. I don't think it's 2. I didn't count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9th, 10th. I was doing the 10th row, and I was gonna join here. Okay, so 10. Yeah, like it's almost. Yeah. So it doesn't crochet one motif. I was just curious about that. Okay, so let's go back to business. So I am continuing where I left you guys. Like we're doing this. Show it closer. So we did the 3, remember, and now we were doing the 2 popcorns. Okay, and so I'm at the last one. And just check, like this is in the middle, so that means it's a 3. This is a 3, so I'm making a 2. So I just follow this 2, 2, and I skip this one and I make a 2 here, 2 here. I skip this one and I make a 2 and a 2. And I chain 5, I believe, and then the next row is going to be 6 chain, because this part is, the pineapple is making the V, like, so it's decreasing, so therefore we need to put more chains here. I don't want it to pull this part, so it needs to be stretched. Okay, so I'm going to open my next second ball. So with 2 balls you would be making, I believe, not 4 motifs, but at least 3 for sure. Okay, so I'm gonna tie this and I'll be right back to continue the motif. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you one more time. And after doing the last row, okay, I'm gonna show you. After doing the last row, I'm going to show you how to join, and I will show the edges. Okay, I hide it on the back, so just pull it like, tuck like this, and then you can weave these. If you don't have to even, that's okay. Every handmade item has a knot, unfortunately, unless you use a cone, which I love. Okay, 2, 3. I'm just repeating what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm going to let you crochet this row like this. See, I did the 2 on top and 2 on top. Then I'm going straight to the 3 after this. 1, 2, 3 chain. I'm going straight to the 3s, and I'm going to skip this one. So I'm going to make 2 popcorn on here on this chain, and then I'm going to make 2 popcorn on this chain, and I'm going to skip this one, and then make 2 popcorn, like 2 popcorn here, as same as you can see here. See, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, we all do 2, and there's 3 chains in the between. So continue crocheting. Well, so I'll meet you up here to do the last row, 11th row. Okay, so I am working on row 11th. So I'm just doing the regular popcorn stitch, 2 popcorn stitch on each chain. 1, 2, 3, 3 chains, and I jump. I skip this and I jump to the set of 2, and I make 2 popcorns, just like this. Okay, so 4, again 4 double crochet to make a 1 popcorn. 1, 2, 3 chain between, and then another popcorn. Just like this. 1, 2, 3, and again I'm skipping here and I'm jumping here to make another set of popcorn. So we will have 2, so that's how we increase this part. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 chain between and make another popcorn. 4 double crochet, and then I go back to the corner and I poke my crochet hook and pull it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we're in the middle. This is how you figure it out. There's 3 set here, 3 set here, and this is in the middle, so automatically this will be in the middle. So I'm going to make 3 popcorns in this chain here, and 4 double crochets is 1 to make the popcorn, and I chain 3, I make another 1, 4, and I poke it where I did the first double crochet, and then I pull it. 1, 2, 3, and the third popcorn. This yarn is very quality. It doesn't split at all. Well, the crochet hook is gorgeous too. 2, 3. It's my tulip that I bought. I did a review on this. If you want to go and check it, check my videos. On my videos, you can, if you put down tulip crochet hook review to search it up, you can find it. Okay, so I jumped to the set of 2. I'm just repeating this part here, and you will notice this area is getting bigger because we're increasing, and here we're decreasing. Oops, lost my so poke it, pull it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'll come back to show you this part. Continue crocheting. 2 popcorns, 2 popcorns, 2 popcorns, and 3 chains in between. Okay, so I did the remaining 3, 2, 2, 2 popcorns and 3 chains between. Okay, so I'm going to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, this is the last row, 11th row, and do a single crochet and then chain 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I am going to be repeating what I did here. Okay, so I'm gonna come all the way here, and I will come to show you how to join this to a second motif, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so I'm going to start joining. To do that, I'm just grabbing one of these, well, one of the other motif that it's already finished, and in here I did 2, 2, 2, and on the third in the middle, on the second, that's where I'm going to join. I'm going to find the third 3 popcorns and in the middle. So I'm just going to make a single crochet. That's how we're so just go between here, like where the single crochet is done, just go between, and then just make a single crochet, and that's all we're doing. We're just, and then I'm going to chain 3 because I'm doing the third popcorn on this, and that's how I'm going to be joining, with a single crochet. Or you can sew it. I know everyone hates to sew, but this is way better. You don't have to worry when you're finished to join the motifs. 2, 3. Okay, so next what I would do is I would join on the second set of the popcorns that I'm going to be making. So I'm crocheting the motif while I'm joining. That's what I'm doing. 3 and then 4. I'm just going to go up here where the first double crochet is and pull it. Where I pulled it, just going to go to the set of 2, as I can see here, where I joined, same, and I'm just going to pull it at once and then chain 3 automatically, and then make the second popcorn. So this is how it will look like. This is how we're joining, and then the second motif, let me join this first, and then I'll show you how the further I go you can understand. It will look way better. 2, 3, 4, just like this, and I continue crocheting. So I will come here, 1, 2, 3. I'm not joining every popcorn, so you don't have to do that. So 2, 3. If you want, you can. So I'm going to make another join. I'm going to go and grab here where I did the join, just like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So continue crocheting, and let me just show you how it will look like when you lay it down. This is how it's going to look like. Okay, so I'm joining the last popcorn, just like this. Just wanted to show you. And I will come back to show you how to join this part. Okay, so I joined this, and I thought I would be better to join this one, just to be on the safe side, because I don't want this to be pulling apart. It won't, but just to be safe, then, sorry, this is where I poke it, and then I chain 6, 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay, so I'm coming down here, okay, where I'm going to do a single crochet. While I'm doing a single crochet, I am going to grab where I did this single crochet here from the back of the motif, and I'm going to pull these all at once, and then just like this again, and then I'm going to chain 6, 2, 4, 5, 6, and I'm going to jump up here, and I'm going to repeat, and this is how, and then when you block it, of course, it's going to look way better. This is how it looks like. When you steam it with the iron, I use my iron steam, and it just blocks it nicely. And so I'm going to repeat. I'm going to join the same from here and here just to be safe, and then one here, and then one here. Okay, I'll show you. I don't have time. It's gonna cut off in like 10 seconds. Okay, so I'll come back to show you how it's done.